So welcome to a new walking stick build. We have a beautiful piece of curly maple. You can see all that. Super smooth. It just looks like it's got waves in it. So this will make a nice handle. A nice small little scrap of walnut. And we're going to do a little lamination for a handle. Something different, but really want to show off this grain. So the blank is all glued up. It's about 5 inches long, 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. So that's going to be very nice as a topper. What we got here is about a 31 inch stick. As you can see, off the forest floor, well weathered, no more bark left, but it's got some nice spalting on the inside. Very hard wood. It's got a good weight to it, and I think this will make a nice cane. So let's start cleaning this up. So we finished up all the sanding. Got a beautiful mixture of the quilted maple and walnut. A little bit of notch detail here. Total's 3 feet. Now let's move on to finishing. We're going to do a little bit of boiled linseed oil. So we're going to apply that and watch these colors pop. So just a little foam applicator here. Oh yeah, all those colors are coming right out. And that quilting pattern, as you see, becomes quite distinctive with the oil on. How it kind of shimmers in the different light. And then the stick with all the quilting on it, or not the quilting, but the spalting on it, really darkens up nicely. That's why we didn't do too much detail with the stick here, because how do you compete against all those colors? There was a nice pattern here right at the base. Look at all that. Beautiful. So let's finish up, see how it looks. So there you have it. Another beautiful walking cane. So you see the quilted maple. See if I can get that in the light for you. All that quilting and shimmer, super smooth, but it's got a beautiful grain pattern mixed in with the walnut. Makes a beautiful topper. Little transition piece. And then a wonderful piece of ash. Lots of spalting in it, but it came out beautiful. Really tiny cane, lightweight, perfect for walking around, about a little under 3 feet. Good height for me, very comfortable and smooth. All finished off with boiled linseed oil. Makes a beautiful finish. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me any comments or questions about this or anything else about canes or walking sticks, and for sure I'm going to answer you. I try and answer every single comment. Hope you enjoyed the video.